Alright, what's up guys? Wiring harness. We need to figure it out. Wiring harness for smart car. Electric version 451. What's the model? Smart car? 451 900. If you need some parts guys, I have all the sensor, fuses, box, whatever. Name it. Got right here. All the sensor, everything is right here guys. Connector, whatever you want guys. That's the connector for the BMS connector right here. It's important. We have the airbag sensor right here. Sensor all Mercedes-Benz. Alright guys. Alright, bye bye to you.